Are you constantly bloated, tired for no reason? Skin acting up? You might be ignoring the number one reason your gut health is falling apart. Let's talk about what's really going on and how you can fix it naturally. Here's a fact. Over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, but most people are unknowingly killing their gut every day. And no, it's not just sugar or junk food. The real enemy? I'll show you, and the 3 natural ways to reverse it. Hey friends, welcome back to Home and Haven Living, your go-to space for natural living and powerful home remedies that actually work. Hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, good and bad. The balance between them is everything, but things like overuse of antibiotics, chronic stress, processed foods and seed oils, even conventional cleaning products can destroy that balance, leaving your gut inflamed, leaky, and dysfunctional. And when your gut's in trouble, everything suffers: digestion, immunity, energy, even your mood. So, how do you fix it? Here are the top 3 things I recommend that actually work. All natural, no pills, no prescriptions. 1. Start with fermented foods. These are living foods filled with probiotics, the good guys. Try 1 to 2 servings a day. Start slow and let your body adjust. I always tell people, fermented is your friend. 2. Ditch the gut bombs. Watch out for hidden gut saboteurs. Swap seed oils for coconut or olive oil. Avoid antibacterial products. They kill the good bacteria too. And stress? Even 10 minutes of deep breathing a day can lower gut inflammation. 3. Use natural gut healers, a few natural remedies I swear by: slippery elm tea, bone broth, aloe vera juice, and yes, castor oil compresses over your abdomen. Helps with inflammation. Don't underestimate how quickly your body can heal when you give it the right tools. If your gut's been screaming for help, this is your sign to listen. Start small, go natural, and trust your body. Comment below if you've tried any of these or have questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs a gut reset. Natural health starts in your gut. Let's rebuild it together.